Hopefully you guys can see from this angle. We've already almost got it completely taken apart here. But apparently this is one of the things I should have checked when I tore apart the complete motor, because this thing is caked with sludge. Let me show you guys here. Just a simple pick here. You can see there's just, can't even push it through some of these oil passages. There's so much garbage in them. And it looks like the shaft is actually cracked right here. I mean, I guess I wouldn't expect any less for an original piece from '65. So, but where is the rocker? I was going to show you. Don't mind my messy workbench here. This one. So this is what it's supposed to look like. See it go through there. This passage goes right into the rail, rocker arm, rocker shaft, and provides oil lubrication to this, to the tip, to everything here. But mine didn't get much oil, and as you can see, this one's actually not in bad shape. Let me find one that's worse here. This one's pretty significant. Lack of oil, I would imagine. Let's see if I can show you here on camera. I can't even push this in. There's so much stuff in, I can't even push this punch through. It's so caked up. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but this punch will not go through here. There's oil, whatever, rock hard built up in here. And this is probably why the motor is relatively loud, because there's no oil. But otherwise, the motor runs great. Well, I don't suggest doing this, but let's see if we can just lightly tap this through here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right there, it's like rock hard oil built up, probably from lack of oil changes, unfortunately, when this motor sat all the years. But definitely something to check. So the shaft's gonna have to get replaced, and the rocker arms. So still have to source those. Undecided on what I'm gonna do with that. But yeah, this is in rough shape actually. Should have had this taken apart forever ago, but yeah, actually right here too. You can see all the sludge and metal right here. That's not good. Yeah, that's not good at all. Just caked in there. Yeah. There's all kinds of garbage in them. All right, well, that's one. And as I've seen in other videos, what people do is they will drill this side with a drill bit and then stick a rod down in it and knock out both sides. After you get the one side knocked out, you run the rod in the other direction and you can knock them both out. And then you can clean this up using like a 20 gauge shotgun brush or something inside of it. But since this one's already cracked here, I'm not going to even attempt to refurbish it. I think it's just easier just to buy a replacement at this point. It's unfortunate. So this is why it's important when you torque these 4 bolts down to torque them evenly. I think the book calls for 2 turns each, repeating until you get to 45 foot-pounds. So, all right, well, hope this helps. Until next time, cheers.